Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Pepe update today, and I'm actually tracking the EMAs for Pepe. You see, the EMAs are what's saving the day. The EMAs again and again uh, is showing that, you know what, I don't want Pepe to go down. The EMAs, whenever Pepe looks like it's about to fall, the EMAs are saying no, I'm here to hold the prices up. So thing is that you are making amazing closes, right? Until now, this morning star we have is not invalidated. It's actually still in play because the morning star gets invalidated when you come below the morning star itself, which actually has not happened. Even better is that you're making hammer, you're making inverted hammer, you're making dojis again. So all these candles are like back-to-back candles to reverse the prices to go to the upside, because you must know that dojis are meant for the prices to be decisive, and where the prices are being decisive, they have to go back and move to the upside one more time. So that's good. What about the 4-hour time frame? Let's see what is exactly happening here. So there's nothing more than consolidation. Red candle may seem bearish, and then you have the green, which are bullish. So back to back price sideways means just nothing more than consolidation. But what we can do here is we can take the trend line and try to navigate how much of a time you're going to take for the squeeze, for the squeeze to happen. So we're going to take this, we're going to take that, and I do believe that this is a solid trend line that we have right now. So I'm just going to draw it like that. And yes, you can see that this is a very perfect support line. You can see a lot of touches, and it has a nice bounce off that support line. And the next one is going to be the resistance, which you have this resistance all in all. And then from here, the maximum time is going to be until 8th of June. Today's 5, so 3 more days to go, and we're going to see the actual direction. So if the EMAs are going to hold, then voila, you go to the upside. If the EMAs are not going to hold, you break down, you come down, you take that stop loss in the morning star and correct even further down to probably 11,000. And that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.